It started, there's no more silver, now do this. Data just released shows us that this metal, the supply of this metal, does not even come close to meeting the demand. And just like any product, when the demand is much stronger than the supply, the value of this is set to move in ways that we've never seen before. Check this out. Oh, if you're interested in silver, click the link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they're holding this contest. Click that link. It's a lot of fun. Get that silver. You should be the next winner on this list. Now, this just came out. This is from the Silver Institute, and it shows industrial demand at a record high. So the demand for silver in industry is projected to reach, look at this number, 700 million ounces. Just wrap your head around it. We're talking millions of ounces. Think about how hard it is for you and I as regular, everyday people trying to pick up 2 ounces a week. and industry is looking for 700 million ounces. Of course, it's solar panels, EV, electronics, all of this is just, the demand is just continuing and outstripping the supply. Look at this here. Here's the supply again. This is from the Silver Institute. It says mine production. We have a slight increase. We're looking at a 2% increase from mining. Recycling will rise by 5%. Total supply here expected to grow only by 3% to an 11-year high. And even that 11-year high does not reach what we need here. Again, this is the Silver Institute. It says supply-demand deficit. The market is forecasted to experience a deficit of 149 million ounces in 2025, marking the 5th consecutive year. This is the 5th year running that we've had a shortage of silver. This is from Courier Mail, and they say the persistent supply deficit driven by robust industrial demand, just like I just showed you, and limited supply, it suggests potential upward pressure on silver prices. This is exactly what we need to see. Now, here's what this tells us. Because presently, at the time of this recording, the silver to gold ratio, the amount of silver you need, these ounces, to swap out for 1 ounce of gold is 102. That is a wide spread. 102 of these ounces will get us 1 ounce of gold. And that's, historically, we're typically looking at 40 to 80, and we're at 102. Now, many, if you're like me, if you've been stacking for 5 years, 10 years, 15, 20 years, then you know that what we always see throughout this history is silver has a correction. That's where we're in right now. And then we have a long-term performance lag with that correction. That's precisely where we are right now. I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just telling you the patterns that I see with silver. We're in that correction. We're in that long-term performance lag. Everybody always does this. They start shouting, silver's dead, get out, it's dead, why are we doing this? And then, like we experienced 12 months ago, we get this giant jump, $10 jump, bam. That's where we are now. We are in the dip. This is the dip. This is why I'm so bullish on silver still. This is the perfect dip because we just experienced 12 months ago, we lived through this, and now we're living through it again. This is the dip. All this data that I showed you at the top of this video, that's telling, those are the moving pieces that are set to skyrocket silver as this year comes to a close. So yes, I am absolutely bullish on silver, and get your own silver. Click that link in the description. 20 Silver Eagles they're giving away every month. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. I love this contest. It's a lot of fun. Your name should be the next winner. Click that link, and I'll see you in the next video.